Welcome to Computer Basics 101. In this video, we'll explore what a computer is, how it works, and why it's such an essential part of our daily lives. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will walk you through the core concepts, from hardware and software to the many ways computers are used in homes, offices, and beyond. Let's start our journey by understanding the fundamental definition of a computer and its main component. Computer is an electronic device that stores, retrieves, and processes data. It can be programmed with instructions to perform a wide variety of tasks. Computers come in many shapes and sizes, from tiny embedded systems to massive mainframes. At its core, a computer is made up of two main parts, hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical components, while software is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. Let's take a closer look at these two essential elements. Hardware includes all the physical parts of your computer, such as the system unit, mouse, keyboard, and monitor. These are the tangible pieces you can touch and see. On the other hand, software consists of the instructions that make the computer work. Software can be stored on your computer's hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, or even a floppy disk, and is loaded into the computer's memory as needed. Both hardware and software are essential for a computer to function properly. Computers come in various types, each designed for specific needs. Personal computers or PCs are cheap, easy to use, and often found in homes and offices. They can work alone or be connected in a network. Mini and mainframe computers, on the other hand, are much more powerful and are used by large organizations like banks to control business operations. These machines are expensive and built for handling massive amounts of data and users. Personal computers are the most common type of computer. They are affordable, user-friendly, and versatile. PCs can be used as standalone machines or connected to a network for sharing resources and information. Whether at home, in school, or at the office, personal computers have become an integral part of our daily routines, making tasks like writing, browsing the internet, and playing games much easier. Mini and mainframe computers are designed for large-scale operations. Mainframes, in particular, are used by big organizations such as banks and government agencies to manage vast amounts of data and complex processes. These computers are extremely powerful and reliable, but also come with a high price tag. They are often connected to many terminals, allowing multiple users to access resources simultaneously. Input devices are how we tell the computer what to do. The keyboard and mouse are the most common input devices, allowing us to type commands and move the cursor on the screen. Other input devices include joysticks, game pads, tracker balls, touchpads, light pens, and scanners. Each device serves a unique purpose, from gaming to graphic design to digitizing printed materials. The keyboard remains the most common way to enter information into a computer. It allows users to type text, enter commands, and interact with software. Keyboards come in various layouts and designs, but their primary function remains the same: to provide a direct way for users to communicate with the computer. The mouse is a standard input device used to point, click, and interact with items on the screen. Tracker balls, often used by graphic designers, serve as an alternative to the traditional mouse. Both devices allow for precise control and are essential for navigating modern graphical user interfaces. Beyond keyboards and mice, computers can accept input from a variety of devices. Touchpads respond to pressure and are common on laptops. Light pens allow users to point directly on the screen. Scanners digitize printed materials, and joysticks are popular for gaming. Each input device is designed to make interacting with the computer more intuitive and suited to specific tasks. Output devices are how the computer communicates information back to you. The monitor, or screen, is the primary output device, displaying text, images, and videos. Printers produce physical copies of documents, while other output devices like speakers and plotters serve specialized roles. Let's explore these devices in more detail. Printers are essential for producing hard copies of documents. In large organizations, laser printers are favored for their speed and high-quality output. The Visual Display Unit (VDU) or monitor presents information in a format that's easy to understand. There are many types of printers, each suited to different needs, from simple text documents to high-resolution graphics. Speakers allow computers to output sound, making them valuable for multimedia applications and accessibility features like speech synthesis. Plotters are specialized output devices used to print large images, such as architectural plans or engineering drawings. These devices enhance the computer's ability to communicate information in diverse and effective ways. Storage devices are crucial for saving data and programs. They come in various forms, each with its own advantages. Floppy disk drives, though largely obsolete today, allowed users to save work on small disks and carry data with them. Hard disk drives, found inside most computers, offer much higher capacity and store the operating system, applications, and user files. Hard disks are the primary storage devices in most computers. They offer enormous capacity, often ranging from 40 to 80 gigabytes or more. The speed of a hard disk is measured in milliseconds, with faster disks providing quicker access to data. As technology advances, hard disk costs continue to fall, making them the most cost-effective way to store large amounts of information. Diskettes or floppy disks were once a popular way to store and transfer small amounts of data. With a typical capacity of 1.44 megabytes, they are very cheap but also very slow compared to modern storage devices. While largely replaced by more advanced technologies, floppy disks played an important role in the early days of personal computing. CD-ROMs are optical storage devices that can hold around 650 megabytes of data or more. They are much slower than hard disks, with speed measured as a multiple of the original 1x specification. CD-ROMs are commonly used for distributing software, music, and multimedia content, offering a convenient way to share large files. DVD drives are similar to CD-ROMs but offer much higher capacity, up to 17 gigabytes. They are faster than CD-ROM drives but still not as quick as hard disks. DVDs are widely used for storing movies, software, and large data sets, making them a popular choice for both entertainment and professional applications. Random access memory, or RAM, is the main working memory of a computer. It temporarily stores data and programs that the processor needs while the computer is running. The more RAM a computer has, the faster it can operate, especially when running multiple programs. However, RAM is volatile, meaning all information is lost when the computer is switched off. Read-only memory, or ROM, is a special type of memory chip that holds software which can only be read, not written to. ROM chips are used to store essential programs like the BIOS, which helps start up the computer. Unlike RAM, the data in ROM remains even when the computer is turned off, making it crucial for booting and hardware initialization. Computer memory is measured in bits and bytes. A bit is the smallest unit, representing a 1 or 0. 8 bits make a byte. From there, memory is grouped into kilobytes KB, megabytes MB, and gigabytes GB, with each level representing 1024 times the previous one. Understanding these units helps you gauge the capacity and performance of your computer's memory and storage devices. Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is often called the brain of the computer. It performs all the calculations and processes instructions, determining how fast your computer will run. CPUs are measured by their speed in megahertz, or gigahertz. Modern computers use powerful microprocessors such as Intel's Pentium line to handle complex tasks quickly and efficiently. Several factors impact a computer's performance, including the speed and capacity of the hard disk, the speed of the CPU, and the amount of RAM. Upgrading any of these components can lead to noticeable improvements in how quickly and smoothly your computer operates, especially when running demanding applications or multitasking. Operating system is a special type of software that loads automatically when you start your computer. It acts as a bridge between the hardware and the user, making it easier to use the computer without needing to understand the technical details. Popular operating systems include Windows, macOS, and Linux, each offering unique features and user experiences. Once the operating system is loaded, you can use application programs to perform specific tasks. These include word processors, spreadsheets, databases, and multimedia applications. Application software is what allows you to write documents, manage data, create presentations, and much more, making computers versatile tools for work and play. Some of the most widely used application software includes Microsoft Word for word processing, Microsoft Excel for spreadsheets, and Microsoft Access for databases. Other popular tools are Lotus Word Pro, Lotus 123, and WordPerfect. Multimedia applications like Microsoft PowerPoint and Adobe Photoshop are essential for presentations and graphic design. Multimedia applications combine text, graphics, and sound to create engaging content. Tools like Microsoft PowerPoint and Adobe Photoshop are widely used for presentations, graphic design, and desktop publishing. These applications help users create professional quality documents, marketing materials, and educational resources. Computers can be connected in networks to share resources and information. A local area network LAN connects computers within a single location like an office or school. A wide area network WAN connects computers over a much larger area, even worldwide. Networks make it possible to share printers, files, and internet connections efficiently. Networks are incredibly useful in office environments. They allow multiple users to share devices like printers and scanners, making resource management more efficient. Networks also enable easy sharing of information and collaboration among team members, streamlining workflows and improving productivity. Modem is a device that allows computers to communicate over telephone lines. The word modem stands for modulate-demodulate. It converts digital data from your computer into a format suitable for transmission and then back again at the receiving end. Modems are essential for connecting to the internet and other remote networks. At home, computers are used for a variety of tasks, including connecting to the web, working remotely, online banking, and playing games. They have become central to modern life, providing entertainment, education, and convenience for users of all ages. Computer-based training, or CBT, is a cost-effective way to train large groups of people on a single subject. CBT programs are usually delivered on CD-ROMs and combine text, graphics, and sound to create interactive learning experiences. They are widely used in education and corporate training environments. Computers play a vital role in education, from providing access to encyclopedias and learning tools to supporting classroom instruction. Educational software covers a wide range of subjects, helping students learn languages, science, math, and more. The integration of computers in schools has transformed the way knowledge is delivered and absorbed. Automation is becoming increasingly common in industry. Many factories, such as car manufacturers, use computer-controlled robots to assemble products. Computer-aided design (CAD) programs are used to create detailed drawings and specifications before production begins, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Design systems powered by computers allow engineers and designers to create precise models and prototypes. These systems are essential in industries like architecture, engineering, and manufacturing, where accuracy and detail are critical. Computers streamline the design process, making it faster and more reliable. In large organizations, accounts and payroll are managed by computerized systems. These systems handle repetitive tasks with high accuracy, ensuring that financial records are maintained correctly and employees are paid on time. Automation in accounting reduces errors and increases efficiency. Stock control is another area where computers excel. Computerized stock control systems keep track of inventory levels and can automatically order replacement items when needed. This automation ensures that businesses always have the right amount of stock on hand, reducing waste and improving customer satisfaction. Teleworking, or working from home, has become increasingly popular thanks to computers and the internet. Employees can access company resources, communicate with colleagues, and complete tasks remotely. This flexibility benefits both employers and employees, offering a better work-life balance and reducing the need for commuting. Online banking allows users to manage their finances from the comfort of their homes. With a computer and internet connection, you can check account balances, transfer money, pay bills, and more. Online banking is secure, convenient, and has revolutionized the way we handle our finances. Smart ID cards are another example of computers in daily life. These cards store personal information electronically and are used for identification, access control, and secure transactions. They are widely used in workplaces, schools, and government institutions to enhance security and streamline operations. Computers are essential in supermarkets where they manage inventory, process sales, and handle transactions at the point of sale. Barcode scanners, cash registers, and stock control systems all rely on computer technology to ensure smooth and efficient operations. Computers support a wide range of educational activities, from interactive learning programs to online research. They provide students and teachers with access to vast resources, enabling personalized learning and collaboration. Educational software and online platforms have transformed traditional teaching methods. The internet has become a central part of computer use. With web access, users can browse information, communicate via email, shop online, and participate in social networks. The internet connects people and businesses around the world, making information and services more accessible than ever before. Computer games are a popular form of entertainment, offering immersive experiences for users of all ages. Games can be educational, strategic, or purely for fun, and they often require specialized input devices like joysticks or gamepads. The gaming industry continues to grow, driven by advances in computer technology. Summary: computers have become an indispensable part of modern life. From managing information and automating tasks to enabling communication and entertainment, their impact is felt everywhere. Understanding computer basics helps us make the most of this powerful technology, whether at home, at work, or in education. As technology continues to evolve, computers will only become more integrated into our daily routines.